Hello, Christina Simmons from Say Yes to Holiness here. I was reaching out to let you know about a unique opportunity that's going to be happening the week of October 25th through 28th. And it's the Fully Alive Pursuing Holiness in the Midst of Achieving Worldly Success workshop. This workshop's my response to a lot of people recently asking me about how is it possible to live out your faith and walk in holiness while striving to pursue your passions and your gifts and achieve a holistic success at work and home and in your faith community. As a working mom and business owner, as well as multi-sport athlete, former military officer, and educator, I know a thing or two about juggling priorities and schedules. In fact, since I became Catholic in college, I had been searching for a solution to help me balance priorities in the midst of living out the fullness of life for which God had created me, that life of purpose and peace and abundance. And I tried both secular and religious solutions along the way, but with little or no success, until I discovered a set of tools that were used by the saints, and it all came together. Since then, I've been inspiring, encouraging, and accompanying others to be able to regain control of your daily life through developing a holistic and integrated approach that empowers you to become your best self and experience transformation in all aspects of your life. So the Fully Alive workshop is designed to help you do the same. During this 4-day workshop, I'm going to help you create a plan for your daily life that's going to help you prioritize your purpose, organize that chaos, and help you accomplish more of your goals with less stress so you can experience the purpose, peace, and abundance God created you for. Now, when I run a workshop, I design it so that people can achieve breakthroughs in your life because I really want you to be inspired and encouraged and transformed so you can embrace the life God created you for. So, in many of my workshop participants in the past have said that the workshop was a place for some dramatic change for them. And why is that? Well, simply, I challenge people to embrace the possibility of their daily life. I provide a clear vision for what your life can be. I share tools to how you can start living that best life now. And I offer support in how you can go about embracing that purpose, peace, and abundance. I usually get more requests than I can handle, and lots of people have already signed up. So make sure that you go and you sign up today. The nuts and bolts very simply are that there's going to be 4 days of live teaching and coaching during that week of October 25th through 28th. It's going to give you access to me and my team through a private Facebook group I'm creating just for this workshop, as well as resources to help you take charge and live the life you're created for. The workshop, again, is going to be happening Monday, October 25th through Thursday, October 28th. It's going to be happening at 1 p.m. Eastern Time each day. But even if that day or time doesn't work for you, make sure you register because I'm going to be sending out a link to everyone who registers afterwards. Again, if it's not a good time, still register and you will get the link so that you can watch the recording. But one thing to keep in mind is that everyone who can join me live is going to be eligible for lots of giveaways. So mark it on your calendar, and then I look forward to seeing you at the Fully Alive workshop, being able to pursue all of what it is that God desires for you in the midst of that worldly success. So, again, I invite you to come to the Fully Alive Pursuing Holiness in the Midst of Achieving Worldly Success workshop happening Monday, October 25th through Thursday, October 28th. Have a great day. God bless.